The Hungarian Embassy in Stockholm, Sweden, displays a photo of the first of 4 Gripen C fighter jets ordered by Budapest for the Hungarian Air Force, HAF. The aircraft is still in production at the Saab factory. This is an additional Gripen to boost the Central European country's air force, through a contract signed in February 2024. With the addition of 4 aircraft, Hungary will operate 18 Gripen C, D family aircraft. In addition to its domestic defense role, the Gripen fleet is also involved in NATO missions. Hungarian Air Force currently operates 14 Gripens, consisting of 12 single-seat Gripen C and 2 tandem-seat Gripen D. These aircraft have been leased from Saab. However, with the latest agreement, all Gripen aircraft will transfer ownership to Hungary starting in 2026. The Gripen fighter jet is recognized for its high level of operational readiness. Hungary continues to entrust Saab with maintenance and logistical support to maintain its operational readiness until 2036. This long-term support model is considered one of the main attractions of the Gripen in the international market, as it ensures high-cost predictability and operational readiness, important factors for early warning and air surveillance missions. Simultaneously with the arrival of the new aircraft, other Hungarian Gripen fighters are undergoing a comprehensive modernization process. The contract signed in August 2021 stipulates the upgrade of the Gripen to the MS20 Block 2 standard, significantly enhancing its combat capabilities, communications and integration with NATO systems. Among the most relevant improvements is the incorporation of the PS-05A Mk4 radar, which offers greater range, improved performance against low trajectory targets, and increased resistance to electronic jamming. These new features further enhance the Gripen pilot's situational awareness in high-threat environments. Strengthening offensive capabilities also includes the integration of new weaponry. In December 2021, Hungary ordered the Iris-T short-range air-to-air missile, considered one of the most advanced in its category in the West. The combination of modernized sensors, updated software and advanced missiles places the Hungarian Gripen fighter at a high level in the European light and medium fighter segment. This capability has been used repeatedly in real-world operations. Hungary actively participates in NATO Baltic Air Patrol mission, which is responsible for monitoring the airspace of Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania.